While often referred to as the Amphitrite Lighthouse, the structure and the point where it is located get their name from Amphitrite, the sea goddess wife of Poseidon in Greek mythology, or rather, from a mid-19th century naval vessel of the same name that surveyed much of Vancouver Island shorelines. A wooden tower with a light was erected near the site of the current lighthouse in 1906, after 36 sailors lost their lives when the four-mast barque Pass of Melfort sunk on Christmas Day, 1905. The wooden structure served for 8 years before being destroyed by a wave in 1914. Construction on the current lighthouse began in January of 1915 and was completed later that year, despite the challenging location. Famed horticulturalist George Fraser, whose name can still be found on signs and buildings around Ucluelet, was the first keeper of the original wooden lighthouse. The modern facility was automated in 1988. Mike Salter was its last keeper. The lighthouse is shorter than a typical lighthouse at a height of just 6 meters. Instead of the more common tower shape, the building is reminiscent of the bow of a ship, allowing it to better withstand the gale force winds and massive waves it is sometimes subjected to. In 2020, sensor buoys just off the coast detected the largest rogue wave ever recorded on Earth at 17.6 meters, around 11 meters higher than the rest of the waves around it. The lighthouse continues to assist in navigation and oceanography, and today is also one of the most visited and photographed locations in the Ucluelet Tofino region, with convenient parking and the popular Wild Pacific Trail passing by it.